Most people think HIMS is just a telehealth company. But what if I told you there's a secret growth engine inside this stock that could transform HIMS into a $10 billion company, and almost nobody is talking about it? Stay with me. Welcome back to Money Move IQ, the channel where smart decisions create smart money. Today we're diving deep into HIMS stock, a company building one of the most underrated subscription empires in the US. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why HIMS might be one of the most explosive growth stocks of the next 5 years, and how you can position yourself strategically before Wall Street wakes up. Let's start with the truth. Stocks like HIMS don't pop 200% plus in a year because of hype. They explode because the foundation is real. HIMS is not a one-product company. It's not a trend-chasing gimmick. This is a full-stack healthcare business, quietly taking over men's health, women's health, hair loss, mental wellness, skincare, and now the big one, weight loss medications. Think about this. Most healthcare is slow, expensive, awkward. HIMS removes the friction. They turn doctor visits into a 5-minute online experience, and customers love it. The retention rate proves it. This is why subscription revenue keeps climbing. Recurring revenue is king in the stock market. It's predictable, scalable, and Wall Street eventually pays big multiples for it. Now let's break down the secret engine that could send HIMS stock to a $10 billion valuation. That engine is a multi-billion-dollar medical category that people are only now starting to take seriously. Weight loss plus anti-obesity medications, longevity plus anti-aging care, preventative health. Here's weight loss plus anti-obesity medications, longevity plus anti-aging care, preventative health. Here's what 99% of traders don't know. HIMS is positioning itself to become the Amazon of modern healthcare, a one-stop shop for treatments that people need, want, and will pay for monthly. This is the key. When people see results, they stay subscribed, not for months, for years. And HIMS gets paid like a utility bill. Imagine millions of users subscribing to weight loss meds, hair loss treatment, mental health support, performance plus wellness, longevity care, hormone optimization, skin health, sexual wellness. One customer can be worth $200 to $300 per month across multiple categories. Here's the shocking part. Wall Street still treats HIMS like a small telehealth service. But real traders, smart money, understand patterns. Netflix was underestimated. Shopify was underestimated. Tesla was underestimated. Every disruptor starts small until the market suddenly wakes up. HIMS is following the same early curve, recurring revenue climbing. Low customer acquisition cost new categories launching. High retention brand loyalty growing TAM, expanding into the hundreds of billions. Right now is the information gap. And information gaps are where traders make the most money. As HIMS expands into weight loss and longevity, two sectors projected to be $100 billion plus in the US alone, its valuation could unlock massive upside. Let's talk real numbers. Current valuation, approximately $2 to $3 billion. Target TAM, $100 billion, plus market share needed for $10 billion valuation. Just 5 to 7% subscription model equals recurring revenue equals better multiples. Growth runway equals extremely long. HIMS doesn't need to dominate the entire industry. It only needs a slice. And the company is already showing the growth trajectory of a future giant. Now this is where you, the everyday trader, can move smarter than Wall Street. Here are 3 strategies. 1. Long-term core position. You treat HIMS like a growth asset. Think 3 to 5 years, not 3 to 5 days. 2. Dollar cost averaging. Build your position during dips. Small, consistent buys win over time. 3. Watch these metrics. Subscription growth, net retention rate, profit margin improvement, expansion into weight loss meds, customer acquisition cost. These are the numbers that will show if HIMS is heading toward 5 billion, 7 billion, or even 10 billion. Let me speak directly to you. Opportunities like this don't show up every week, they show up every few years. HIMS has the early signals of a company that could multiply, but only the traders who think differently will see it. You don't need luck. You need clarity. You need patience. You need confidence in your research. And that is how wealth is built. Thanks for watching Money Move IQ. If you got value today, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive stock breakdowns that actually make you smarter. This is your reminder. The best investment you can make is in your own IQ, your Money Move IQ. See you in the next video.